Leprosy cases are on the rise in Florida, and experts are saying that armadillos are the culprit. According to the CDC, armadillos are the only animal to carry leprosy. It's an age-old bacterial disease that affects the skin and the nerves. Leprosy can be easily treated if detected. It's considered rare in the U.S., but is growing in Florida with 9 cases so far this year.
So what's happened this year is not necessarily concerning, but what is interesting is those cases were all with people who were in direct contact with armadillos.
Florida usually sees 10 residents diagnosed every year with leprosy.